To set wireless emergency alert reminder in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or S22 Ultra, open settings, select the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, select notifications, and then scroll to notification screen, tap advanced settings, scroll to advanced settings screen, and then select wireless emergency alerts. Scroll down the screen, select alert reminders, and then select option you want once every 2 minutes, every 15 minutes, or never. A reminder sound will play at a regular volume. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.